right, so we are getting a brand new truck, and it's a Peterbilt. And oh my gosh, when I got the news, my heart actually rises more. My heart rate went up because I was super excited. I actually getting teary-eyed. I was like, oh my god, I'm so excited. Really, I could not believe that he said we're getting a brand new truck. All right, I'm gonna start cleaning our truck now. All right, so please don't judge my truck, but this is how my truck looks like right now. And that's woohoo! All right, today's gonna be my last day with this truck, not this with trailer. This trailer is actually a brand new, nice dolly. I mean, dolly is brand new. The trailer is nice. Tires new. Woo! All right, I'm excited. So I don't got no hazmat today, but yeah, I'm super duper excited. Yeehaw! See you guys. Say bye-bye to our old truck. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Who called you for that?
I'm just kidding. We don't got no truck.
Don't.
I'm just kidding. No, we got a brand new truck, honey. We got a brand new truck, sweetheart.
Right.
I was pranking him. We're getting a brand new Peterbilt tonight, sweetheart.
Alright.
So you're gonna start driving now. I'm just kidding. Woohoo! I'm excited, sweetheart.
Alright. Thank God.
Thank God I didn't have to change the seal. The gland head seal. I'm just kidding. 500,000 miles. Yeehaw! It's a foggy morning. Alright, it's time to roll. Starting my shift. So see ya on the road. So we're getting a brand new truck today. So on Thursday we will. Yep, I got 481 miles. I need to get some coffee. That's cute. I think that's too much though. Yeehaw! Let's roll. Whew. So I thought yesterday was my last day to drive this, but I guess today's the last day. Alright, so I got my coffee today. I just started my clock, and now I'm thinking like, oh gosh, now that I got coffee, then that's gonna be the beginning of my crazy eating mania habit. So I don't know, I'm gonna try it. I did not buy a bread, but I'm thinking of bread, but I have a little cake behind, like in the fridge. Maybe I'll just get it, or maybe not, but yeah, let's go. So I only stopped here for probably 10 minutes, and now you can see the sun is starting to come out, and this fog, I want this fog to be gone. I don't like driving foggy, but yeah, but gotta do what I gotta do. Let's roll. Alright, so I'm taking my break. My husband is still asleep. Oh, it's cold today. Oh wow. I was feeling like, I feel like not sluggish, I feel lazy, like I did not even want to come here, but I want to take a shower, so that's why I'm here. But I'm probably gonna shower first, and then after that I'm probably gonna lift some weights and then go. So that's what I'm gonna do, because we still need to go back to Ohio so we can switch to our new truck. I'm excited. Woo, I'm excited. But yeah, so this is the last day we'll be using that truck, and we're gonna go to Peterbilt. Right. Start 45 or maybe 30 to warm up. Maybe swarm. Alright, and workout was pretty awesome. It was good. Workout was really good, but I wish I could stay a little longer. But we are short on time today, so I gotta roll. So yeah, let's go. My husband's still asleep. He didn't even know I stopped here and work out. I'll check my time. Whoop. So I got a nice tire though. Nice dolly. So pretty good. Alright. All my tires looks brand new, so it's really nothing to worry. Oh, my tires. Alright, let's go. My dirty, dirty truck. Hey guys, so we're finally moving to our brand new truck. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So yeah, let's go. Ah, this is our truck. Oh my goodness. Get some snow on it. Uh-oh, it starts snowing. It snowed in Ohio.
It's snowing really bad.
Really? Oh, this is it. Oh my goodness.
It's big inside.
Wow, this is it. Ah. Oh my god, this is nice. Whoa, that's exact. Oh my god, I remember that. Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow, there's a lot of room. And I'm glad the controller is here now. It's not right in your face. Wow, I like the color. Makes it bigger. Wow, I think we're not gonna move all our stuff tonight because we still need to roll. We still need to get to Texas to deliver our stuff. I remember this. Oh, this is for our microwave. And that's it. That's the other bed. Ooh, I'm excited. There's only one closet though. Oh, somebody open the door. Okay. Wow, and this one, I like this kind of floor also. And then, oh my god, I don't know how to drive this now.
I don't think it's on the door anymore.
Oh, it's the same thing, honey. That's a control panel. It's right there, sweetheart. So I like that. The control panel is the same thing with
Might
ours.
be on the back side, Mom, of the trailer. I don't know if it's in the door anymore.
Okay. It's cold. Oh, wow! Look at the day.
Go over here so we don't have to move this no more. Go back.
Okay. Ooh, look at this. Wow. This is a beautiful truck. Alright, I can't find where the four-way flasher is. Where is... I don't know where the four-way is. Where is the flasher? It already has 1,259 miles. And this actually come from Texas. Denton, Texas. So yeah. Woo! The trip is 844 miles. Oh, I don't know what that is. But this is beautiful. Oh, I'm excited. Alright, so it's time to move. We're still gonna roll. But we can do that right in this door, do we?
No.
Oh, no. Me and Joy squeeze it. Like, we kind of like shake it. So we're going to move this bed because we're going to put our bed. And we're not going to take the plastic so somebody could still use it. Yeah. Alright, this is the current situation. So we are moving in. I don't like this bag. And we still got quite a few things there. This is the closet. Ooh. I think I like it that it has divider, but yeah. We got plenty of room for cup holder right there. I'm excited, but yeah. And the most exciting part, there's mirror. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I am excited. So yeah, let's go. And the microwave. It matches. And then there's a plug at the back. I'm gonna plug it in before I. It's like too dark. I was thinking there should be lights here. But... Oh, you know what? Is our thing on? I think our
I'll have to
AT
check the thing.
Alright, so yeah, that's it. And there's the strap here. So this goes to the corner, right?
It goes over the top.
This thing doesn't go. Wow. Oh, it is where it should be.
Yeah. You just got to tighten it a little bit.
So there's two of them. And then, oh, you just pull it. That's it. Oh, that's not. What is that? Oh, it's the metal on the side.
That's what the thing's for, the rubber thing.
Oh, I thought the rubber is for the corner.
Oh.
It's not?
Alright.
I think this might be the APU. Oh, you know what? It might be under the bed, remember? We're looking for the main switch. There. This one?
That has to be turned on.
I press it. What? I 44 degrees. It didn't turn the thing. APU starting. That's APU, honey.
It logged me in, Mama.
Really? Sweetheart, this is APU. Maybe that's not it. Okay. Alright, that's the APU. So I gotta turn that up, sweetheart. You hear that thing? Like a boat or generator. Alright. Shutting down. I just shut it down. Alright, we just moved into our brand new Peterbilt. This is how it looks like. This is the bed. This is the net. It's basically net or slipper belt. And yeah, so this is our controller for cold. It's our microwave. It's dirty. We move it from one truck. This is our coffee thing. Then this is our store the water. This is the fridge. So got Nana's adobo in the plastic. This is the closet. And that's it. So this is for me, Pat, and then our towels. Nice. Oh, we have an extra bed. It's actually at the top. So we don't even have to open the bed because my husband and I share a bed right here. And I'm about to try the bed right now. I'm excited. And that's the net privacy thing right there. I'm in bed now. Hold on, gotta buckle it. good. Oh, why did you stop, honey? This truck doesn't stop. I'm just kidding. Did you find? I think it might be all the way from the. Maybe it doesn't help with me here. I think. This truck doesn't stop.
No.
Oh, you just have to get your coat off. I see. You want to try the bed too?
Are you starting or not?
You get 33 minutes.
No, you at the yard you did.
Oh, that's
It
right.
takes 43 minutes to get here.
You can open the closet, Tom.
Yeah. Wow, you got your pad drawer there. Towels all. Woo! My undies.
Yeah.
I grabbed a pair and threw it. It was up in that thing. I just.
I wonder
threw
if
it
that's
in one
it.
of
That
those-
might be.
in one of those bags.
That's my pad drawer.
No, it was by itself.
All kinds of sandwiches right there. If you need one, you know where it is, honey.
The light, right? This is it.
Ooh.
Yeah.
What is that one? Oh, that's to lock the door when you go to the truck stop and I don't
Yeah.
want to go anywhere. Oh. This is a one-person bed, honey. I'm just kidding. What are you saying, honey? The excitement is not in what?
You said you had to drive, and you said I didn't even get to sleep in the truck yet. And I said the excitement's not in sleeping in the truck; it's driving the truck when you get a new truck. No one says, "Oh, I got a new truck. I want to sleep."
I want to try the bed. So our microwave is not working, and then the plug over here either is not working. So my husband is down there. He's turning the thing
I
on.
don't see a button on it. It's here, but
You didn't see a button, honey? It's okay, sweetheart. We'll figure it out next time. Oh, my husband opened the bed. Yes. Can you touch it? Which button again?
right here, it's red.
Okay. Wow, thank you, honey. So we open our bed. And, oh, it is on, honey. Yeehaw! Wow, there's no way. This is our house. There's no way there's no electricity in here. All right, thank you, honey. You're the man, honey.
Man.
Yep. Woo! I'm gonna drive the truck for the first time. I'm excited. Yeehaw! I can't believe it. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna tell you guys what it feels. But you know that mirror? We have somebody that doesn't like that mirror because it's, you know, they rather have the rectangular mirror. I don't know why they did that, but all right, honey, buckle up, because we're about to roll. We're gonna put your pajama. You can't make everything dirty. I'm super excited. So I'm about to roll with our new Peterbilt. Yes, guys, this is ours. Why I said ours? Because this is just for us. This truck. Oh, that's a company truck. It's our truck. Let's roll. Oh, that's good. I get my large coffee. Ah.